a new associate that already has all the worries and concerns of being new, that's one thing that they won't have to worry about, is whether or not I'm going to be trained to do the job.
Well, training is super important because it's the foundation of how we do things around here.
Training is important because if you're trained at your job, you feel comfortable doing your job, you're being set up for success in your job.
I love being able to coach and teach some of the new associates, be that example and say, hey, you can do the same thing that I did.
It's a good culture of continuing to grow the employees that they have.
The opportunity for advancement here is really limitless. I mean, if you want it, you can get it.
I started as an operator, and through my years I worked up, being a level 3 operator to a level 4 operator, and then a couple years ago I decided to go back to school to be an engineer.
I have gotten a sense that they're thinking about my future, so not only as a site as a whole are we thinking about the future, but also about me as an individual.
That's what I would probably say to anybody. If they're willing to give Hollister a chance, then you know what, it pays off big.